Hey guys, we're about to sit here and we're going to do this boom truck today. It's going to be a good one. Let's go ahead and get those graphics ready to go. Alright, now that those graphics are ready to go, let's go ahead and get started with the install. Hey, there's a ladybug up here. I wonder if people would like, someone to talk during these videos.
Well, in watching the videos that I watch, he does do some of the talking and then he'll over talk too, explaining stuff at different times. But yeah, they talk and joke and... Oh my, you're cutting it up. You're not doing it in one loop?
No, I'm not doing it in one loop. 10 feet off the ground, like you said, right?
It's probably more than 10 feet, but okay.
It's probably not even 10 feet.
You don't think so?
I don't know. Alright, there's going to be a lot of trash just getting thrown around.
Okay. I was going to grab it, but alright.
come up here.
I'm here. See my hand?
I can barely reach it. Hi, Maggie. You're so far down there.
There's so much sun. Does it matter?
Don't look at my butt. They should install an escalator on this thing. Ugh.
I did that.
You did it?
Mm-hmm.
You're still filming me? Gotta get out the tools. Multi-tool. Board yet?
since you didn't have any, did you have any role of putting it together on the table?
What's that?
Did you film it putting it together on the table?
Nah.
You might need to explain then why there's so many pieces of tape on it.
Now it's time for a voiceover. All right, she's done. It was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Till the next one, see ya.